3 words to describe the team. I'll start with fun, passionate, and smart. Got some really great people we're working with. I've been at Microsoft for 12 years and worked on a lot of great projects, but when I saw this opportunity to work in the energy industry, I'm like, wow, Microsoft's doing this? How cool. And I came over and learned about it, and it's not typical Microsoft. It's a great startup environment, an opportunity to do something that everyone out there would understand. So some of the key problems that we were trying to address with our project is, one, there's a lack of general awareness in terms of how to actually go ahead and save energy and save money, and understanding the types of things you can do around your home. So I'm a homeowner, and I think there's many things I didn't understand were important for me to do to increase my energy efficiency, to reduce how I'm using gas and electric. And I think there's many people out there that aren't sure what they can do around their home, or they know a little bit about their programmable thermostat, or they know they should do some caulking and weather stripping, but maybe they're not sure, if they look at the whole picture of their home, what they could really do to make an impact. And sometimes there's some small changes that can make a big impact in your home. When we look at the next year in terms of where things are going, kind of what I would measure our success as is everyone using this? Are we making a difference? Are we watching kind of overall consumption go down? Are we reducing the need for demand response events, or impacting the amount of electricity and gas used across the U.S.? That would be a huge thing for this project. We think we have a great offering. We think it's going to be an exciting thing for the marketplace, but we recognize that there's a ton of feedback we can get, and there's a lot more functionality we can add to make it an even more valuable tool and service for consumers. So we're going out there, we want to see what people think. We're hoping to get a lot of great engagement, a lot of great feedback through our social networking efforts, and really understand what consumers need.
茶姐。